welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is always Mr. Fred Moa. Remember to subscribe, like and comment to this YouTube channel, and if you have any comment or any song you want me to teach you here, just comment down below. Thank you guys and welcome back. So today I'll be teaching you on how to play this song, Yesu Kazaliwa. Yesu Kazaliwa, tumwimbie kwa furaha. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. I hope you enjoy and let's get started. So that is the first melody. So you are going to play like this. Yesu, Yesu Kristo, Yesu Kristo, Yesu Kristo. And then, very simple. You start like Yesu Kristo and then you go Kazaliwa. And then the last one, hallelujah. So you are repeating like this 2 times. Another. And then there are 2 times you are repeating the same thing, and then the last part you are finishing with this. Hallelujah. Then you repeat another time. It's very simple. That is the progression of the full song. Let's play again the melody. Play again. Let me play with 1 finger so that you can see clearly. And then the normal speed. But what I can advise you, you don't have to play with 1 figure. Just train yourself on how to play with all figures. Next one. Without wasting our time, let's now go to our chords. Our chords will go like this. You see? So let us break the chords. So we are going to break them like this. You start from here. Let me play like this so that you can see clearly. Yesu Kristo, Yesu can see. Remember, we are playing at a key of G sharp. We have transposed our piano to with 1. I'm playing with a positive 1 at the key of G. Them again. Yesu Kristo tumwimbie kwa furaha. Haleluya, 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 haleluya. And da 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 da. Then after that, you are going to add your bass side, your right hand. So you are going to play like this. I usually tell you this bass side is very simple because you don't have to play a lot. You have just to break your chords. So you play like this. You G, you touch there. You see, you can. So after that, you play with your tempo like this. You find your tempo first. Yesu Kazaliwa Catholic. So let's find down. Let's play with that. Let's record it. let's sing, and then we shall meet on the next tutorial. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment to this channel. Let's go. Yesu Kazaliwa, tumwimbie kwa furaha. Haleluya, 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 haleluya. Thank you guys, and God bless you.